Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted contacts on iPhone. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, or the first option is by just resyncing iCloud contacts. Okay, to do that, open up the Settings app, tap on it, and go out and find your iCloud. Okay, tap on it. Down here, iCloud once more, tap. Now tap on See All. Okay, make sure that you sync everything, including your contacts right here. So what you'll do is just go ahead and turn it off for now, if it's turned on. Okay, if not, turn it back on. So in here it says keep on my phone or delete from my phone. You're going to want to tap on keep on my iPhone. All right, and then you're going to want to turn it on so that it resyncs or merge. So tap on merge, and after that you should be good to go. Now another option is by restoring it via iCloud, okay, or the web browser. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to your Safari browser or any other browser. Okay, go ahead and type down iCloud.com. Hit on go. And once that's done, just basically sign in. And once signed in, go ahead over to data recovery, then tap on restore contacts. Okay, again, data recovery, then restore contacts. Also, you might want to check your linked accounts like Gmail or Outlook. Okay. You can go to settings right here. Let's go ahead and go back. Okay. Settings. Scroll all the way down and find apps. Find mail right here. Tap on it. Tap on your mail accounts. Okay. We have Gmail right here, for example. I'm going to tap on it. Just make sure that contacts is toggled on. Okay. If not, you can go ahead and turn it off. Cancel. And it will turn it back on again. It will just basically resync. All right. Now go ahead and check out your contacts and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.